Let's face it, when you're an independent business owner or nonprofit organization, it costs a fortune to get cold food and beverage deliveries to your location. And scheduled deliveries are never on time. Even for small bulk food deliveries, refrigerated transport accommodations cost thousands of dollars to carry your load along with larger cargo for other customers. And easy access to rent a refrigerated trailer for family events, weddings, sporting events, and temporary equipment emergencies is non-existent. Fridge on Wheels Rentals offers an economical trailer that operates as a refrigerator or freezer using 110 volts and 15 amps instead of the industry standard 220 volts and 25 amps. Our 7x12-foot steel refrigerated trailers are insulated to maintain cold or frozen products for hours during transport, and we offer rental services in Virginia and the D.C. metro area. Best of all, there's no need to arrange for a trailer pickup. We will bring it to you. To schedule an order, simply complete the form with your name, address, email, and phone, and we will arrange a drop-off at your location. When you need cool cargo, remember Fridge on Wheels Rentals for your short-term cold storage and transporting needs. 703-375-9028